Hi, welcome to not Bar Cart Bookshelf, but my living room. My name is Elias, and I got some mail, and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. This just arrived. I have a feeling I know what it is. I'm very excited, and I guess without any further ado, um, let's open it. Let's see something that has lived in my head and in my computer for a while here become real. Ooh, packages in packages. I love that. It's real. It's my book, Cocktails and Consoles, which will be out in September. And it's real. And it's so pretty. Oh, and the colors, the illustrations, little preview, get to see them for real for the first time on the page, and the wonderful end papers, and the little it's real. Yeah. So, Cocktails and Consoles, the first time that I'm holding it in my hands, the first time that I get to see L's, being, my L's on the spine of a book. It's out in September. I am really proud of it. I hope you all are interested in reading it. I think you're going to find a lot of really great cocktails and mocktails, things for, beginner home bartenders and for experienced mixologists alike, some food recipes, some party hosting tips. It's a really fun book. I had such a good time working on it. And it's real. It's wow. Cocktails and Consoles by Elias Sells, illustrated by the wonderful Solji Lee. Available September 10th from Running Press Books. Bye!